Hello everyone and welcome. I am the Witchy Sister and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Witches Essential Box by the Witches Box. And I'm so excited. I ordered this back in November and they did say they weren't going to ship it out until January, and it finally came. So I'm so excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Alright. Break open the seal. Get this. Here we go. There we go. Sorry, I'm moving the camera a lot. Alright. This time I'm going to just rip the sticker. Aww. Dearest Witch, here is your beginner box. May it serve you well. Note that we are missing... Oh, I'm sorry, not missing. We are meeting with Estrella Taylor, writer of Intuitive Witchery, at this month's end. Check your email for time and link. Bring all of your witchcraft questions to this gathering. A link to the recording will also be sent out after the gathering has occurred. I've been dying for this box, so I just can't wait. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Oh. Aww, it's a little cauldron. Oh, look at how cute that is. I love it. Oh, it's super heavy too. And I love the fact that it's cast iron. I cook with cast iron. I cook with cast iron Dutch ovens. So this is super awesome. I like that. All right, let's see. What else is it? Oh, I think this is a bell. It is a bell. Oh, this is cool. Oh, it's got a nice little chime to it. It's super pretty. It's silver, which I love because I'm a big fan of silver. And I think that's because I love the moon and working with the moon so much. So this is so cute and it's so tiny. It's adorable. Oh, it's got such a cute little chime. All right, let's see. What's this? Ooh. This looks like the chalice. And it's also silver and it matches. Oh my gosh, it matches the bell, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. And then, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it looks like a tapestry. Oh, there's two tapestries. So there's the... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. And it looks like it's... I don't think it's made out of crystal. It feels more like bone. It's got more of that, oh my gosh, it is just beautiful. Okay, so then this is the moon tapestry, which came in the moon box as well, but this is just absolutely stunning. It has the wolves on it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's got the, all the little signs on here. It's the moon tapestry, like the tarot card. So that's super cool. And then there's another tapestry in here. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, it looks like a pen. Oh no, this is an altar cloth. This This is altar cloth, and it's got the pentacle on it. I think that's right. I don't know. Like I said, I'm a new witch and I'm still learning. So if I say that wrong, I am so sorry. But I love the colors. I love the black and the purple and the blue. Oh, I love those colors. And then like it's got this really pretty design on the sides here. I wish I could show the whole thing. But it is just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, what? Oh, I love this. I told you guys I love the moon. I love the moon. And so it's got the moon intertwined with it in this beautiful, beautiful, that is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of stuff in here. Ooh, the Druid Animal Oracle deck. Oh, and it's got a little falcon on the front. That is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait to open that. And then, and then there's a book of shadows, or if you wanted to make like a grimoire. And it's got like an amethyst on it. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. And I just got another leather journal in my last box that I got for January, which is Sacred Bathing. I will put the link down below so you guys can check that out if you wanted to. And I've been wanting a leather journal, so I guess I've been wanting it so bad I got 2 now, which is awesome. And this is the back. It is just beautiful. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love it. Okay. And then she did say there was going to be the book in here, right here. How to use intuition to elevate your craft. Intuitive witchcraft. Oh, and the book is just really, really pretty itself. I like the colors. And again, the moon. I am like obsessed with the moon. Oh, this is so cool. Give you guys kind of a sneak peek inside the book. Just gonna see if it had. Here, this is what I was looking for, the table of contents, so you guys kind of see the table of contents here. It's got exercises and rituals. It tells you where the exercises and the journaling and the rituals are actually in the chapter. That's cool. I like that. I like how that's laid out a lot. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. And that is it. That is everything that is inside of this box. I personally feel like it was well worth the wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, so excited. Just kind of put these things in front of you again here. The Athene. The bell. The cauldron. I love this. This thing is so heavy. Cauldron. The cup. This. this. And if you give me a second here, I will lay the altar cloth and the tapestry out so you guys can see it as well. Okay, here is the altar cloth. It is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I love those colors. And here is the moon tapestry. It is just absolutely beautiful. All right. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That's always helpful. And until next time, see you all then.